channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the topic determinant class 12. This determinant topic is very useful to all the examinations like IIT, JEE, NDA or NEST test. Okay. So that examination, it is the most important topic is matrix and determinant. Okay. So we already discussed about the matrix. You know all about the matrix. Matrix addition, multiplication, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric, whatever it may be in the matrix of everything completed in our channel. Those who haven't seen that video means please check it out the playlist matrix. Okay. So if you are going to study the determinants means before you have to go through the matrix. That is the most important. If you understand the matrix concept means it is easy to capture the determinant. Okay. So as you know what is meant by a matrix? Matrix means a arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. That is called a matrix. For example, A is a matrix. This is a matrix notification. It will be A11, A12, A13, etc. A21, A22, A23, etc. up to AN1, AN2, etc. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN. This is the arrangement of a matrix. This is M into N matrix. If a matrix have equal rows and equal columns means it is called a square matrix. In the case of a determinant, how to express a determinant? That means this is a determinant A, which is nothing but determinant A. Okay? Not modulus. This is the notification of the simple determinant. So determinant A. Okay? Matrix has no value, but in case of a determinant, it has a value. Okay? For example, a determinant A is said to be A11, A12, A21, A22. This is an example for a determinant. It is 2 rows and 2 columns. Then what is the value? Value of determinant A equal to, which is very simple. You have to cross multiply and subtract. That means A11, A22 minus A21, A12. This is the value. If here the values, here determinant A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 means how to find the value of A means it is very easy. Value of determinant A equal to 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2, which is nothing but 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2 is the value of this determinant. In any of the cases of a determinant, if in case of a 3 by 3 determinant means how to find the value. Let us see. So the determinant A is written by the order 3 matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. From here, how to find the value of determinant A. So how to find means if it is order 2 means it is very easy. Cross multiply and subtract it. But in case of the order 3 matrix means first of all you have to put this here plus, this minus, this plus. Okay. Next you have to take the first element, that is A11. You have to take the first element means if this element is in the consists of which row and which column is that 2 row and column will be removed and you have to take this part into A22, A23 and A32, A33. Next here what is this? Minus. So minus next element is A12. So listen. First plus A11. The second element is minus A12. Then this A12. Second element is in the first row and the second column. So this element is consist of the first row and second column, means you have to leave that two rows and columns, and remaining A21, A23, A21, A23, next A31, A33. Okay. Next, third element is plus. So this is plus A13. Then this A13 is consist of the which row and which column? This is first row and the third column. So you have to leave that this row and column, and remaining part inside the determinant. A21, A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay. Next, how to find means it is very easy and simple for the case of 2 by 2 matrix. That means A11. In order 2 means it is A22, A33 minus A32, A23. This is cross multiplying and subtract. Next, A12 into A21 into A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23 plus A13 into A21 A32 minus A31 A22. This is the format to find the value of a determinant. Okay, in order 3. You have to understand it better with couple of examples. Okay. So here given example is matrix 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. What is the determinant? Determinant is nothing but determinant A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the 3 by 3 order 3 determinant. Then how to find the value? So value of determinant A equal to, here you have to take first 1, that is plus minus plus. So 1 determinant remaining 2 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 1. Next case is minus 2. Second element is 2. This 2 is in the this second column, and first row means the second column and first row will be leave it 3 1 1 1. So 3 1 1 1. Third plus 3 into here third column and first row will be removed. Then 3 2 1 1. Okay. Next 1 into 2 into 1. 2 minus 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 2. So let us see, 1 into 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 1. So 1 minus 4 plus 3, which is nothing but 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So the value of determinant A is equal to 0. Okay. So this is very simple concept to find the value of a determinant. Okay. If in the case of a order 3 matrix is given, means first of all you have to put plus minus plus, then you have to take the first element, means you have to remove that element is consist of the first row and first column, means you have to remove that after remaining elements are in the determinant. Similar process, the second element means minus, this element is consist of second column and the first row means you have to remove that, then 3 1 and 1 1. Similar way. Okay, it is very easy and simple. Okay. Next, we are moving on to the next. Second example is A equal to matrix 1 5 3 2 1 3 5 4 2. So the determinant A equal to, which is nothing but 1 5 3 2 1 3 5 4 2. So how to find the value? It is very easy, means plus minus plus. That means 1 into here 1 3 remaining elements 4 2. Next minus 5, the remaining element, this column and this row will be removed, 2 3 5 2. So 2 3 5 2. Next plus 3, this column and this row will be removed, 2 1 5 4. 2 1 5 4. Okay. Next 1 into 2. That means 1 into 2 minus 4 into 3. Minus 5 into 2 into 2 minus 5 into 3 plus 3 into 2 into 4 minus 5 into 1. So let us see 1 into 2 minus 12 minus 5 into 4 minus 15 plus 3 into 8 minus 5, which is nothing but here 1 into minus 10 minus 5 into minus 11 plus 3 into 3. Okay. So next minus 10, here plus 55 plus 9. So let us see here minus 10 plus 55 plus 9. That is here minus 10 plus 64, which is nothing but here minus 54 is the value of this determinant. Okay. So I hope you all understood this. What is the basic thing about the determinant and how to find the value of a determinant. Okay. So if you have any doubts or suggestions, please comment on the comment box. Okay. So if you like this video, like and share to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe right now and press the bell icon and select all options. Then only you will get more notification from my channel. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.